So I built my own garden irrigation system, and today I'm going to show you how it all came together. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Marlon, and I'm all about small space gardening here in Arizona. Let's start from the beginning, and I'll walk you through how I designed and built this system. First, I made a layout of the garden. That was pretty easy. Then I overlaid where I wanted the piping to go. Last week, I dismantled the old system that was there. It was a pain to do, but I got it done. Even on the inside, I had some tubing, and I got rid of that. This is all the tubing from the old system, and I plan to use some of it in the new system also. Here are the fittings that I'm going to use in this project. I have a bunch of emitters, L-shaped connectors, zip ties, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch tubing, shut-off valves, and pretty much the whole works. I started yesterday with the installation, and I just wanted to pull through some tubing to make sure I had enough for the entire project. I got some L-shaped connectors, which I connected close to the faucet and then around the corner of my patio, because this is actually going to help me to get some nice clean lines for the installation. Since I had a better idea from the design where everything was going to be, it pretty much went really quick. But I'll tell you this, pro tip, wear gloves. Unless it's one of the alligator grip fittings, these things really eat up your hand. After getting the outside done, I went in the greenhouse to get the water tubing to the other side of the greenhouse. Here's how everything is connected. So from the irrigation timer, we come to the side of the patio. I have 3 lines going. I'll explain in a minute how everything is working on that. But the first 2 lines go directly to the greenhouse, and then one of the 1/2 inch line goes on one side and one goes to the other side. If you notice, I have shut-off valves on pretty much each junction going to the plant. Sometimes some of the plants really don't need watering, so I don't want to actually have to force it to have water. So that's why I did that way. On the other side, I pretty much have the same thing. I have 1/2 inch tubing going to splitters, and then I have 1/4 inch piping coming out of those junctions. This goes all the way down to feed the entire garden. Now remember, I said I had 3 lines going to the system. This is because I have a planter box, and that planter box actually has a separate system going, a separate line going to it. Now, pretty much this is the result. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and for stopping by the channel. If you enjoyed it, check out my other videos. And as always, stay blessed.